Sunday is my mental reset day. So normally I clean, but today I think I'm gonna go to the beach. So y'all just come along with me. I was right. It's supposed to be fruit punch. Tastes like complete water. I'm guessing everything else tastes like water. If the juice tastes like water, correct? Let's steak.
Remember when you used to cook the steak? I used to get them from buckets.
Hey y'all, I'm back home. I took my ponytail off, took my eyebrow, eyelashes, everything is off. I'm getting ready to cook dinner. It is 10:46. It's kind of late. Well, it's early, but late to eat. I wanted to cook instead of buying. I wanted to cook instead of buying something to eat. So I'm going to make some salmon bowls for me and my husband. Alright y'all, I'm putting some green pepper in my salmon bowl. So I'm going to just cut them up like this. So cut it in half like that. Add some color. I think I'm going to use yellow just for now. I'm going to cut this one the same way. Just like that. I don't be peeling my onion. I just slice it as I go. Like that. Then I just peel. Just like that. So now that's all cut up, and get started on the fish. Okay, y'all, this is the salmon. It's not bad. This is the salmon here. I'm gonna go ahead and skin this. I'm removing this skin. I be seeing people take the skin off, but I don't know how they do that. Let me see. Oh, okay. It's working a little bit. I seen some guy take his hand and like, I'm gonna do it how I know. I feel like I'm cutting some of the fish by mistake. Now, I'll rinse it off one more time. I'm gonna go ahead and dice this up. And that's all cut up. Alright y'all, so I had to do like a little voiceover because there was some music being played. So yeah, I cut up the salmon and now I'm just cleaning up my mess. Now I'm going to make me some white rice. So that's my water. I'm just adding some butter in and I add a little salt. Now here's the rice. I told y'all last time I clean my rice off after it's like partially boiled. Some people clean it before they start cooking, but this is the way that I learned. So this is how I'm doing it. So now I'm about to start cooking the salmon. I added some oil into the pot. Y'all excuse the smoke. It's smoking because I cleaned, my burners off. So right here, y'all can see I'm adding the salmon in so I can saute it. The salmon bowls is like really my favorite dish, y'all. So right here, I'm just adding some garlic powder. Then I'm adding some chopped onion. Then I'm adding a little bit of adobo. Don't worry, y'all, it's not salty. And now I'm gonna go ahead and stir it up so it could be sauteed. Then I'm adding some fresh garlic. Y'all can see Judo, kitchen assistant. He's helping me out. So I'm pouring a little bit of this garlic juice from the fresh garlic. I don't know, it just gives it a good taste. So now I'm gonna go ahead and finish sauteing it up. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add, y'all see, to my right, I got the onions, the peppers, and the green peppers. I'm just adding that in. And I'm gonna save the rest for the beans that I'm cooking. So once again, I'm mixing everything in. And I'm just sauteing it up. Okay, I'm adding some parsley and some basil too, y'all. I don't know, something about basil. Basil just make food taste extremely, extremely good to me, and I love it. So right here, y'all can see, I'm just sauteing it, cooking it up. And then, of course, I gotta taste test it. When you cooking, you gotta taste your food, y'all. You can't just serve anything. So here, I'm getting started to do the beans. I got some parsley, pretty much the same seasonings. Parsley, then I'm gonna add some garlic powder, y'all see, it's going really fast. And I'm sauteing it with a little bit of olive oil, and then I'm adding the beans in. I was supposed to add the onions in first, y'all, along with the seasoning and everything, and let it saute. But you can see right here, I just ended up adding them in a little afterwards. But it all cooks the same. As you can see, the onions ended up cooking down into the beans, and I'm gonna just go ahead and throw the top on that and just let it cook. Like, let it saute, let everything, all the seasoning and everything get up in there. So now it's time to make these plates. Okay, you see Judo waiting like he was hungry. We was both starving, y'all. We was out for the whole day. So I'm making his plate, putting rice on, asking him, if this is enough rice, is that enough? Now it's time to put you know, the salmon stir fry. I made it a stir fry, y'all, and I ended up adding broccoli in. I didn't even record that part. I don't know what the hell happened, but yeah, I added some broccoli into there. And now here's the beans. As y'all can see, the onions and everything is cooked in. It's got his, you know, his little sauce. It was so good, y'all. So this is Judo's plate. Look, he's grabbing his plate. And now this is my plate. So I like to start small, and y'all probably like, that's not small. I'm in love with rice. That's my problem. That's mostly where my weight gain comes from, y'all. White rice and pasta. So this is my plate, and I said I like to start small. This plate is not small because, like I said, I didn't eat all day. But this is my plate, y'all. Okay, so there it is. This is our dinner. I didn't put the salmon into bowls like I was supposed to because he wanted it on the plate. So yeah, y'all. Thank you for watching our vlog. Peace out and be safe.